Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. Firstly, maybe the problem in your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the recent apps and then open it. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application. If it didn't help you, also I recommend it to check if your earbuds have the latest software version. Open HUAWEI AI Life application or HUAWEI Connect application. If you use AI Life, tap at your earbuds at the device list, and then for both this application you need to scroll down. You will have headphones menu. At the left bottom you'll find update button. Click at this button, it check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with the phone, so I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And the last one. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and don't close the case. If you close it, don't worry, just open the lid. Then, at the right side we have connectional button. Press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashes red. Firstly, start blinking white, don't worry. You just enter to pairing mode, keep holding connectional button. Okay, we have red LED light, so I can release my fingers. Then we should reconnect them with the phone. Open settings, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. After that, click at the forget this device button. You may have forget button, forget device button, unpair, remove, or maybe something else, and forget device. We just remove them. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but actually not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, or maybe you have Refresh button, click at this button. Or go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After that, you will find your headphones at the device list, tap on them, and we reconnect them with the phone. If you want to reconnect them with the application also, open HUAWEI AI Life or HUAWEI Connect app, and then it should ask you to pair them. So click on it. And we just did it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.